Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You are.
We're home.
After another successful day for Waffle as a trial pupil at my school, guess who walked us home? Cram and Grand!
Good to see you. Right, come in, guys. Come in.
I've just remembered I've made some after-school cookies for everyone, and of course some special doggy cookies for you, Waffle. They're in the car. They're in the car.
I'll help you with those.
And by the way, Waffle and all you Brooklyn Bells, Zoe and Callum called earlier and said they're coming round and that they have an exciting announcement for all of us.
Wait, they're coming round today?
Yes.
Yes, I've got to get something ready.
Okay.
And I can show them what I got from school.
Yes, of course you can, Evie.
What did you get from school? Well, show me.
Oh!
Benji!
Benji, the poodle-class dog. Whoever's well-behaved gets to take him home. So well done, Evie.
Oh, well done.
It wasn't me. It was Waffle. He gets to keep it for the rest of the trial week.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, well done, Waffle. Boy.
Fun! This week as a trial pupil really is going well, isn't it?
It is.
We are so proud of our grand dog, eh?
We are.
Love you,
Oh, and guess what?
What, baby?
I got my first ever homework.
Oh, fab. So what do you have to do then?
Counting in twos up to 10.
Oh, fabulous. Well, you and Waffle can practice together, can't you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's Mum and Callum. I'll get it.
Hey!
I missed you so much.
Hey,
Hey, so good to see you.
Hello, Zoe. Hello. Hello, Callum.
Hey, Callum. Come in, guys. Come in. Come in. Now, I hear you've got some news for us.
Yes. Over to you, Doug.
Well, ever since yesterday, when Mum and Callum called me, they told me a secret and I've had to keep it.
Yes.
And, well, they've...
Come on, Dougie.
Come on.
Mum and Callum are getting engaged to be married.
It's true.
They're getting married.
This calls for a bottle of Grand Special Ginger Fizz. You ready? Hey! Now, this celebration needs some music. And luckily, the band has arrived. Yeah. So sing along if you know it. Doug's dad is me, and his mum is Zoe.
What? I've got another dad. Well, I will have soon. Callum.
And I'll have the best stepson anyone could ever wish for.
He's got another mum called Jess, and Evie's mum is Jess too, and Evie's dad is you.
Well, wait. Don't forget about Nate, my birth dad.
Yes.
What's true?
And Gram and Grams are just the best. What a funny family. Oh, I love this family. What would I do without you? You and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. What a funny family. Oh, I love this family.
And you know, all of your...
I want to to invite Nate, my birth dad, to the wedding, Waffle.
Okay.
I wish we knew who your real mum and dad were, Waffle. It'd be nice if they could come too.
Waffle, Mum, Dad.
Yes, your dog mum and dad.
Ready for one more chorus? Yeah! Here we go. What would I do without you? You, you,
Waffle, Mum and Dad. Come on, Benji.
So Waffle wanted to know about his dog mum and dad, who they were and where were they?
Mum. Dad. Where?
Waffle, what are you doing up here all on your own?
Looking.
Looking for what?
Waffle, Mum and Dad.
Mum knows a lot of doggy mums and dads. She might know who your doggy mum and dad are. I'll go and ask her. Mum! Mum! Can you come upstairs? Waffle needs you.
Okay, coming.
Oh, Waffle, there's a funny family party going on downstairs. What are you doing in here looking all glum?
He's looking for his doggy mum and dad.
Oh, Waffle.
Waffle, Mum and Dad.
Thing is, Waffle, we have no idea who your doggy mum and dad are because we don't know where you came from, remember? Oh, we were all so happy when you came to us on our wedding day, but why and from where, we might never know.
You don't remember, do you?
Lots of dogs don't know who their mum and dad are, but it doesn't make them any less loved or cherished. Benji, you're a dog. Do you know who your mum and dad are? No?
Yeah.
But you know we all love you, right? Yes. All we know is that your mum and dad are two beautiful poodles just like you. And wherever they are, I'm sure they're very proud of you, just like we all are.
Hello, Brooklyn Belle.
It's
Hello,
Gramps!
selfies.
Come on, Waffle, Gramps is here.
Coming.
Me? Thank you very much.
What a funny family. It's the only one for me. What a funny family. Oh, I love this family.
There you are, Waffle. Hey, you know what? I knew someone was missing from this lovely celebration. You. And who's this furry little friend?
Benji.
Hey! Great shaky moves, Waffle.
Shaky.
Oh no, let's do the Benji shaky.
That is a move that can catch on.
Hey, let's all do the Benji!
Watch me.
Oh,
Fantastic! Everybody keep doing the Benji. Here we go. What would I do without you? You, and you, and you, and you. What a funny family. Oh, I love this family. Good boy.
Don't forget Benji.
Oh, and Benji.
Bye.
What a lovely afternoon.
Yeah.
Mum, can I write an email to Nate, my birth dad, on Waffle's computer?
Yeah, okay. Just let me know when you need the email address.
Okay. Come on, Waffle.
Voice typing activated.
Write email.
What would you like to say?
Dear Nate. Dear Nate. Start again.
Starting again.
Dear Dad, thanks for the birthday card that you sent me.
And I hope me, my Wonderdog Waffle, and all my funny family get to meet you in real life one day very soon. And I want you to come to Zoe and Callum's wedding. Love from Evie, aged 5. That is fantastic, Evie. I think you'll be really happy to read that.
And look,
Oh,
I made a Nate. I copied it from the photo that he sent me.
look, our growing funny family.
Yeah, I'm going to put them in the doghouse. Nate can go next to Wedding Zoe and Wedding Callum, and Waffle can go too.
I love it.
Hello, Weavy. How many people are in your house today? There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Evie, you counted up to 10 in twos. You've done your homework. Well done. Waffle? Waffle, have you done your home? He's asleep.
Night-night, Waffle. Night-night, funny family. Our funny family really was growing. There were more of us to love Waffle and more of us for Waffle to love.
Everybody!